Currently, around 2,000 operational satellites are in orbit around Earth. Some of them are Earth observation satellites. They are designed to take pictures and record information for uses such as environmental monitoring and map making. As you can see in this animation, when we look at images from satellites and even planes, we can identify landscape features such as mountains, rivers, and even ponds. We can also spot agricultural areas and trees. Sometimes we can even ID tree species. But what happens with smaller plants or animals such as birds or frogs? Well, my name is Andrea Paz, and I am a PhD candidate at CUNY at the Carnival Lab, and I have been working for a couple of years on finding some answers to this question. The truth is, most of the times we won't see smaller plants or animals because they are not only covered by taller plants, but they are small. What we can see, and we do see, are the environments. Remote sensing tools allow us to estimate temperatures, precipitation, even cloud covers, and we know that these characteristics are related to the presence of species. So how can we use these environments to observe smaller animals and plants? Working with scientists in Brazil that are experts in different groups of plants and animals, we mapped the species richness and evolutionary diversity in the Atlantic forest, and we worked on exploring whether environments can predict the number of species or the amount of evolutionary diversity in an area. We have found that the answer is yes for all groups. Using environmental data from remote sensing sources to estimate diversity is what we call indirect remote sensing of biodiversity. Now that we know that with the help of environmental data we can see frogs from space, we are working on answering a second question. Can we use periodically collected remote sensing data on environments that are collected even every 2 weeks to predict the changes in diversity in changing environments? Keep tuned for the answer.